thousands gathered across Italy and interest to protest against the ongoing genocide in Gaza on Friday, September 19. I think it's important to be here today.
To support Gaza, to support the children in Gaza, to support the normal people in Gaza, to stand with them. And I am very happy to see all these people here because they are here. It's meaning they listen and they hear the voices for the children, for the oldest women and men and the youngest people. I'm from Gaza. I am in the south of Gaza.
It's a common sentiment that we need to show coming out of our houses.
È importante non essere indifferenti a quello che sta accadendo.
Well, I guess it's important for both showing that people are hearing that we care. It's also important to send a signal to our government, which is deeply involved with Israeli policies for what regards Palestine. It's for sure a hope for things to change.
Well, I think that maybe we can do, at least I feel like I can do much to go against what's happening in Gaza, but I think that even small things, such as going to a manifestation against what's happening against Israel, is important. And I think that we all should be doing something like this. Even small acts can have a great impact on the world.
So why is it important? Do you consider it's important to be here tonight?
It's fundamental that each person in each city, in every part of the world, testify is being against this situation. It's not possible to stay quiet. It's the time to say it's enough.